Today, we are going to be looking at this screened-in gazebo. I'm going to give you my tips and tricks so that you don't have to completely redo it 3 times like we did. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. Tip number 1, this is not a solo project. I tried to put this together solo, and it did not go well. This was the first time I had to disassemble everything because I put it together wrong. When you have this down on the ground, there are 4 pieces, 4 prongs that you have to lift up and put up underneath this top cover before you push it up in the air, because if you don't, you can't install that. You're also going to be very careful with how much Velcro you're attaching before you raise this. Only attach the one outermost Velcro before you raise the canopy. I made the mistake of attaching both of them, and it almost ripped when we were trying to raise it. We installed the outside screen 3 times because every time we thought we had it right, we had it wrong. Even though there are ties on the outside of this goes on the outside, and these little clips down below go into the pole. There are 3 different sections where they go into the pole. The screen also goes on the bottom rung, not the top rung. If you put it on the top rung, you're going to have too much space at the base. Overall, if you are looking for a budget-friendly screened-in gazebo, I wouldn't hesitate to recommend this one. I would, however, get some sturdier stakes, especially if you live in an area like Florida where we get lots of wind.